Hello everybody, this is Bosch GWS600 angle grinder purchased under 2000 from Flipkart. Let's unboxing it. Very nicely packed. Let's see what is inside. This is the box. Pretty good. Let's open it. This is the manual. But I have no time to read it. This is handle, key, and bolts. Nice material. Very good material. Nice product. Value for money. Nice switching with locking mechanism. There is no cutting blade given in the box. Nice power cord. This is instruction manual how to fix it. Let's check how it works. This is the jack, and after that we put cutting wheel, and then we tighten the screw. But there is no cutting wheel given in the box, so I have to purchase separately. There is locking switch used for tightening the screw. Very powerful, but without blade there is no idea how it works. But it feels very powerful.